The personal lights in the overhead console of the Lexus NX use advanced capacity technology to detect touch. Touching the center light turns it and the rear interior light on. Touching it again turns them both off. If the rear interior light has already been turned on, the front light cannot control it. The small lights to the left and right are also controlled by touch and offer a more direct light to the driver or passenger. Pressing the door button on the overhead console turns the door-linked lighting on or off. When a door is opened, the front and rear interior lights turn on. When the door is closed, they turn off.